When we were in Barcelona a couple of weeks ago at the Mobile World Congress, we met a lot of mobile consultants, companies that have a professional staff to help smaller companies manage various things in the mobile ecosystem. And a lot of people said, do you really need these companies? And as we demonstrated, you certainly do. Here at Infosecurity Belgium, the focus has been on GDPR, but it's also been on the whole retinue, so to speak, of IT consultants. And we had a chance to talk to a company called AXXES, and they put this whole IT consultancy business into perspective. Here's that interview. So off camera, we had a little chat about IT consultancy and why it's important, and you had some ideas about why that is.
Companies come to us because they, in most instances, can't find the right people themselves, or if they need a certain expertise in which they are not specialized themselves, but they need help with for a certain project. So even if it's within software development or system engineering or anything like that, that's when they come to ask for our help.
So tell me in brief what those 4 expertises are that you bring to the community.
Okay. We are specialized in software development, system engineering, project management and testing. So software development includes Java, .NET and front-end developers. System engineering, that's the system engineers, network engineers and the help desk support profiles. Within testing, it's in general the testing and test coordinators. And for project management, they're all focused on the IT part, but it can be in infrastructure projects or software deployments or things like that. So obviously all those domains, they are separate, but they can also be used together because in IT, it's usually when it's a project, you need a project manager, you need a system engineer, you need a developer, things like that. So Infosecurity is important for us this year because we want to introduce our sister company CloudCampus, but a more important event for AXXES is Technorama because it's more focused on development.
With a massive migration to Microsoft Office 365, for small companies there's obviously a need to be able to tap into some professionals who know how all that stuff works, especially SharePoint, etc. So we had a chance to talk to a startup company called CloudCampus, and they put all this stuff into perspective for companies that really need to have that kind of professional help. Here's that interview. So what is it that's driving this move to Office 365?
Well, today it's all about the cloud. Office 365 is just a great product. It lets the employees work together. For example, like SharePoint, OneDrive, they're just tools to let people work together, work more efficiently. People have access to their own portal, to their own applications from anywhere. They can work from home office. They don't have to be in the building from the company just to be able to work together. I think that's one of just the main advantages of Office 365.
So obviously this requires some expertise that every company is not going to have. So tell us a little bit more about what CloudCampus does.
Well, working with CloudCampus offers you 2 main advantages. So one is you are a Microsoft Cloud service provider. So wants to say you are a direct partner of Microsoft who can provide licenses in a monthly scale basis. So pre-commitment for a year and buy a license, that's just past tense. You can't tell now what's going to happen within a year. So the CSP program offers you to scale every month in just the number of users as in the model. That just is a main advantage and the flexibility that you can offer to your clients. And then 2, I think they're just the expertise. It's the in-house knowledge. I think the key of success is we don't treat every customer the same. We work out custom-based solutions, and that's just the beauty of Office 365. It allows you to make solutions just as custom-based as we try to do it ourselves. We are a small company, but with each and every one with our own expertise, and it combines us to just, I think, this wonderful concept where we try to be an added value to all of our customers. Out-of-the-box thinking is what brings us together every day, and that's what we're trying to do. And I think that will be the success of CloudCampus throughout the years. And I hope we can move on, we can grow in the spot we've already begun.